Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make the crochet V-stitch hat. For this pattern I am using 3 color of worsted weight yarn and one 3.5 mm crochet hook. Let us start. I'll start from slip knot. And make 3 chain. Total I have 4 chains and I am going to the 4th chain and make one double crochet. Make here I have 2 double crochet. First 3 chain count as a first DC and 1 double crochet. Total I have 2 double crochet and you make 8 more double crochet in the same stitch. I have made 10 double crochet in the first round and then I am going to this is the very first 3 chain. Here I have joined it, make one slip stitch. And then you make this loop big, little big, and you insert your ball in this loop and tie it. And then I am attaching white color yarn for next round. I am taking white color yarn and start the pattern. Go to the same stitch and make one chain. You make total 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4 chain. Count as a first double crochet and 1 chain and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. This stitch is called the V stitch. And then go to the next stitch and make 1 DC, 1 chain, 1 DC, and go to the next stitch. You make 1 DC, 1 chain, 1 more DC, and you repeat the same stitch in this round. You make total 10 V stitch in this round. And then I have made total 10 V stitch, and then I am going to the very first stitch. This is the very first 3 stitches. Here I have joining it with slip stitch, and my second round is complete. And then I am going the previous color. This is the very first color, brown color, and here you make one this is the V stitch. Here is the space. You go to the V stitch space and make one slip stitch and make 4 chain, count as a first DC, 1 chain, and make one more DC in the same space and make one more V stitch in the same space. Here you increase your V stitch, 1 DC, 1 chain, 1 more DC. You make 2 V stitch in the same space, and then I am going to the next V stitch space. Make DC, 1 DC, 1 chain, 1 more DC, and then make one more V stitch, 1 DC, 1 chain, 1 more DC. You make 2 V stitch in every V stitch space. I have completed my second round. Here I have increased 1 more V stitch in every previous V stitch space, and then I am going to the second color. Second color is white color, and now I am going to the space, very first space of the V stitch, and make one slip stitch and make 4 chain, count as a first DC and 1 chain, and 1 more DC in the same space. And now in this round I do not increase any stitches, V stitches, and I am going to the next V stitch. This is the next V stitch. Here I am making 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 more double crochet, and then I am going to the next V stitch and make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, and you repeat the same stitch in this round. I have completed my 4th round, and then if you want to make the small size, then you continue the stitches. You do not increase any stitches the next round. If you want to make the big, then you increase the in the very first round, and you can take the 11 or 13 or 15 DC stitch, and then you continue this pattern. And then I am going to the next color. This is the very first color. I am going to the V stitch space and make same things, 3 chain, count as a first double crochet, 1 more chain and 1 double crochet in the same space. And then going to the next V stitch and make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet. This hat size is suitable for 2 to 3 years. You repeat this pattern as per your required length, size. Hello friends, I have completed the required length, and here I have made the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 lines of V stitch pattern. And then I am attaching the pink color yarn for border. You go to the any previous stitch and insert your hook and yarn and make slip stitch. Make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, count as a first double crochet, and go to the next stitch and make 1 double crochet. You make 1 double crochet in each stitch. Then you join in the very beginning chain. This is the 3 chains of the very first DC stitch. Here you join it with slip stitch, and then make 3 chain. Then I am going to the next DC stitch. Insert your hook in the inside the previous DC stitch and make 1 double crochet. Then you make 1 double crochet in the next DC stitch. You insert your hook in the back side and make 1 double crochet. You repeat this stitch this round. Hello friends, you repeat the same stitch in the next 2 round. Hello friends, I have completed my border line, and then I have attached 1 pom-pom in the same color. And if you want to make the adult size hat, then you use the bigger size hook, and you can use the 4-ply yarn. And this is a very beautiful hat and easy easy pattern, and you can make this hat in only 1 hour. And please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.